So why are broke people staying broke? Well, it's because they're playing the wrong game. Let me show you a method that most people overlook, just because it sounds too simple to be real. But if you stick around, I'll show you exactly how to flip your way to $100 a day. No BS, just raw steps. So what's the method? Flipping. Buying undervalued items and reselling them at a profit. And yeah, I know. It sounds really boring. But let me ask you this. Have you ever seen a yard sale with insane deals? Or a Facebook marketplace listing where someone's giving away a perfectly good table for $5? Or some shoes someone bought, wore once, and listed for cheap? That is your gold mine. People undervalue their stuff all the time. They're moving, downsizing, desperate, or just don't care. Your job is to spot it, grab it, and relist it. Simple but effective. And guess what? You don't need money to start. You can even start with free items from Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. So to quickly break down this step-by-step guide, the first thing is just really start local. You got to check Marketplace, you can check Craigslist, OfferUp, and local groups. Use filters like free or under $10 and must go. The second thing is you got to pick items that sell. Focus on categories like furniture, electronics, or like small appliances, sneakers, or baby items. And then you have to just evaluate the value. So you can use eBay's sold filter to see what similar items are selling for. If it's selling for $30 and someone's giving it away for $5, grab it. The fourth thing is you got to meet smart, so always meet in public places. Don't be sketchy. This can prevent you from getting scammed or anything like that. And then the last thing, so once you have all of the items, you can then just relist them. So you can clean up the item, you can take good photos of it, you can list it with a better title, and boom, you just added value without even changing the item. And a really important thing to keep in mind is the goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is consistency. Flip three $30 profit items a day, and that's $90. Throw in a $50 couch you picked up for free, boom, you're over $100 already. Here's a story. I have a friend who posted on Facebook that he was looking for any kind of books that anybody would be willing to part with. He ended up getting a box full of books that he is now selling and flipping on Amazon. He's getting anywhere from $10 to $30 a book. And he spent nothing for the books. He just had to go pick them up. And now all he has to do is keep posting, asking if anybody has any books they're willing to part with or sell for cheap. Most people fail because they quit too early. They try it once, don't make $100 on day one, and then they call it a scam. But the flipping game builds skill. You learn how to negotiate. You get better at photography and selling items. You spot value way faster than most people. This is about momentum. Build the flipping muscle, and soon you'll always see money where others see junk. So if you want to start getting into this, there's some things you want to avoid. Never overpay, and you have to always check sold prices. Working on and improving negotiation tactics can always help with that. Another thing you'll want to avoid doing is don't buy large items that you can't move. There are some cases where you can, like if you just see this fire deal that you can't pass up, and maybe you can buy it for cheap, pay a little bit of money for someone with a truck or a trailer to haul it for you, and you'll still earn some profit. Having said that though, you don't want to hoard it. Flip fast, keep the cash flowing. Your selling point will mainly be your photos, so don't be lazy with your listings. Use good photos, and you can post for higher prices. The truth about this method is it could replace your 9 to 5, but most people will ignore it because it isn't sexy, it takes hustle, and it does take patience. But here's the twist. In part 2, we'll be going beyond flipping into the next evolution of this hustle. If you like this, part 2 will blow your mind. Comment down below what item you've seen someone give away that you knew was worth money. And subscribe for part 2, where we turn flipping into a full-on automated business.